Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. This is called On Cleaning Out My Fridge. According to my refrigerator, the 4 food groups are condiments, jams, curdled dairy, and science experiments, like that moldy lemon in there. How in the world did that scientist discover that penicillin mold was an antibiotic? I'll pick the lemon up where it's still not moldy and then toss it away. Ugh. A gift pack of gourmet jams. Fig jam, jalapeno jelly, and orange marmalade. Into the Goodwill box. Old peppercorn mustard and Grey Poupon, appropriately named. Out. Horseradish. The recipe called for 1 tablespoon. The rest sits. Might aged horseradish be a thing? A bottle of Copper Frog beer. How do they name those things? I'll leave the bottle. Bottled beer doesn't go bad, does it? Antique box of baking soda. So much for change it every 30 days. Now turning to the freezer. Iced ice cream. The crystals remind me of stalagmites in caves. I've never been in a cave, but the pictures are kind of like that. Out. Wrinkled chicken breast. I had put it in a freezer bag, but it's so old it's wrinkled. It would qualify for AARP. Out. Kale. It's been there since kale became in. I can understand. It tastes terrible. Out. Bacon. Oh, the approach avoidance. The smell is one of my faves. The taste ain't bad either, but the spoil sports keep hawking us about nitrates, fat, eating any meat. Do you know how much water it takes to make 1 pound of beef? 1,850 pounds. Not all potable, but still. Screw it. I gotta keep the bacon. Anyway, that's on cleaning out my fridge. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 34 books. Perhaps the most relevant to this is my book Light, short stories on life's brighter side, but all 34, including the companion volume Dark, are on Amazon. Just go there, search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.